Well, I discovered the cookbooks many years ago when I actually was on a weight loss journey. I was wanting to lose weight and I needed to have something that was easy to use and something that I knew that my family could actually enjoy along with me as I lost weight. And I just loved the cookbooks because they looked so normal in terms of the foods that they were using in the recipes. I thought, oh, they're just great family recipes that I know my children and my husband would love. Well, my family think I'm a good cook and I just love to cook. I'm always wanting to try new recipes and something that the family will eat, because that's the biggest challenge as a family. You can make these beautiful recipes, but the girls and my husband may not like them. So I just need something that's simple and easy to use, and they are fast. So I personally just love those cookbooks for that reason. And they're beautiful, beautiful recipes. So everyday foods, made in such a way that they're healthier for us, but just as enjoyable. I started using the shakes in that time when I was really feeling hungry before dinner and was finding that I was eating a lot of foods that perhaps weren't good with losing weight. And since having the shakes, I've actually started losing the weight again. So those shakes have really been a real saviour for me. They just taste great and they fill me up, and they're easy to make and certainly fast and simple with my particular routine of being a busy mum. I don't feel like I'm actually eating diet food, and so for that reason I just love the fact that I can eat healthy and enjoy those foods and those recipes, knowing that I'm actually eating lower fat foods, but not having to feel like I'm missing out. So I think that's the key for me. As long as I don't feel like I'm on a diet, I'm actually eating healthy, I'm enjoying those foods. I don't have to think about it. It's all done for me in the books.